Hi. Chrysosful is here again. In the previous video of this basketball animation series we have created all the elements of our scene. Now let us animate a shoot. At first let us position the ball in y-axis. Select the ball, type I and choose location and rotation. Move the timeline cursor to the 40th frame, drag the ball near the hoop. Rotate it a bit. Type I and choose location and rotation. Move again the ball and create a new keyframe. Do not forget to rotate the ball to make the movement more accurate. Add a keyframe at the moment where the ball passes through the ring. The ball falls on the floor and then it bounces, so we are going to animate that too.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, and we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? thoughts obsession. I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex. Haters love to hate, but I never feel pressure.
Now let us make the hoop net react when the orb falls.
Like I'm acing this test on. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. They call me a working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent, cause I don't forget shit like an elephant.
At 0 frames select the net, switch to edit mode, go to animate all. Select all the vertices that are going to change their position. Press I and create new keyframes when the ball passes. Move some of the vertices in order that all of them are around the orb. After the ball falls, the net look should be the same as at the beginning. So create a new keyframe and put all the vertices in their initial position. Click play. Thanks for watching.